Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and to keep subscribing. Okpebholo preaches unity at Edo Christmas Carol. Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo said Christmas represents values that unite us as a people, regardless of tribe, religion, and politics. Okpebholo stated this on Sunday while delivering his message at the Edo Christmas Carol 2024 held at the long tennis court of the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium in Benin. Dignitaries at the event included the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, the Secretary to the State Government, Musa Ikilo, a former Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Justin Okonobo, and Francis Okiye, Head of Service, Anthony Okungbowa, other top government officials, party leaders, religious and traditional rulers, permanent secretaries, and civil servants, among others. Okpebholo noted that Christmas was a season of love and hope, as it reminds everyone of the importance of compassion, generosity, and peace. He noted that the event was more than just singing but represented the values that unite the people regardless of tribe, religion, and politics. He said, "It is with great joy that I welcome all of you to this beautiful Christmas carol as we gather to celebrate our Lord Jesus Christ. It is particularly memorable for me because this is the first time I have had the honor of standing before you as governor during such an event. Christmas is a time of love, hope, and unity. It is also a season that reminds us of the importance of compassion, generosity, and peace. This carol symbolizes much more than singing and entertainment. It is a testament to the values that bind us as one people, regardless of tribe, religion, and political differences. As we listen to the wonderful voices tonight, let us remember that our strength as a people lies in our diversity. To our children, may the joy of tonight inspire you to dream big and grow with love and kindness in your hearts. Together, we can build a brighter and more inclusive tomorrow. On behalf of the entire leadership of our beloved state, I wish you all a happy Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Okpebholo, in his quest for the Edo people to celebrate a unique Christmas, instituted a raffle draw for winners to go home with. There were melodious renditions by choir from various denominations, including the Living Faith Church, Miracle Assembly, Blessed Virgin Mary, Church of God Mission, and LXS Band. The event also saw a special performance by the Theatre Arts Department from the University of Benin and Little Man. Bible lessons were read in Pidgin and English languages by various personalities, which included the Administrator, Office of the First Lady of Edo State, Edesili Anani Okpebholo, representative of the wife of Deputy Governor, and Edo South representative on the board of Superb, representative of vegetable sellers, and a returnee and a bus driver, among others. There was the presentation of prizes, which included a raffle draw, a mini bus, a tricycle, generating set, swing and grinding machine, among others. Christmas is a season of love, yes, a season of care, and a season of sharing. And as the governor is trying to, say to gather the people together, he's trying to use this as a point of meeting his people, to stand before them this time around, not for politics, not for any other thing, but for unity, for rejoicing, bringing dividends of democracy closer to the people. This is the time and the season. There was a raffle draw for a mini bus, a tricycle, and generating set. Then sewing machines and grinding machines and other items were given to winners. That's a good one. Of course, that's a good way to start and to celebrate Christmas at this point in time, even when the situation is tense in Nigeria. The economy is falling and people are barely making ends meet. Very good of the governor, and we want him to keep it up. Now, things is said there that it is not only the celebration we should look at, that this is a period of unity. It makes us to come together. Christmas celebration time, forget the religion, forget the tribe, forget the differences, and everybody care for each other and they share. And this is expected of the government to the people. Every day supposed to be Christmas between the government and the people of Edo State. The government should continue to share love, respect, understanding, rule of law, administration, and care even to the people. He continue to remember that the mandate he is holding is given by the people, and also to remember what Christmas stands for. You know the significance of Christmas, the sacrifices paid by Jesus Christ according to the Christians, that he came to give his life so that the whole world can have peace, that a life can be bearable for them. So the same way too, as he has signified to lead the people of Edo State, is expected to also lay down himself, the totality of himself, to serve the people of Edo State and make life easy and bearable for the people. This is very, very important. You should make sure, like I said, Christmas should be every day in Edo State for the people of Edo. Every day there should be a delivery of a promise made, mandates given, and then the dividends of democracy too should be brought closer to the people. I also appreciate the singular fact that representatives of vegetable sellers were given opportunity even to come and do Bible reading during the Christmas carol celebration. Yes, these are the kind of things we want. An inclusive government, that nobody in the society is relegated to the background because of their status or because of the vocation they've chosen to, embark upon. All animals are equal. No one's supposed to be more equal than the other, and that is the main thing here for the people of Edo State. And for the governor himself too, he should uphold the rule of law and also encourage the people. He said his quest is to celebrate a unique Christmas. Every day should be made unique for the people of Edo State, and he should not allow politicking to distract his attention. He must make sure that in every aspect, every sector of the economy, Edo State throws in her weight and creates more jobs for the people, and also create more avenue of chances for people, opportunities for them to tap into. These are very, very important, and that is what will make the Christmas a daily affair for the people of Edo State. So the governor should not forget that yes, when it comes to unity, tribe, religion, and politics does not matter. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to our channel.